if this is the number, the requirement is you want to delete from the bit position. Bit position, you have to take the first any program. For suppose if you are having any requirement from the interviewer, first you have to get the clarity of the program. First you have to ask clearly what exactly he wants to. That's why others shared the question in that user will give the input. That is number. After that, you want to take position. From which position you want to start. Position also you want to take position. Then after number of bits, which how many bits you want to delete from that position. Okay, first suppose this is the position from 0 through 7 bit positions we have. The number is same the number. Then the position for suppose this use the selected number position as suppose 1. Then bits he want to delete for suppose 3. That means from here to from 1 position to 3 bits means these 3 bits he want to delete. Okay, these 3 bits he want to delete. After this, if you after implement the program, the output should be he want to delete means 3 spaces created from the left side. Then 0 1 0 1 1. This is the output we have to get. To get this, first we have to store the data. That's what we have to do. Simply, for suppose, take mask value as 1. Okay. For that one, you have to shift which position he will give as a requirement. That one you have to shift whatever the position he chosen. Then after, up to now you move to the position only, but we have to get not exactly that position. From before that position we have to store the data. For that we have to do -1. With this you can store, for suppose he choose this 4th position. First we have to shift our 1 to the 4th bit. Means up to your 1 came here. Then after if you do -1 means the value become, you got all the upper bits. Got the point? Then you can do AND operation with the number. Whatever the number is given, with that you can do AND operation. With this you can store the unmodified number. Before that bit position, whatever you have, that value will be stored in that one variable. Then after you have to do shifting operation. Yeah, as you said means what? Up to now 1 position to 4. Okay, as I'm writing here, 1 left shift 4 times. Means what is the value of now? What is this resultant value?
2.
Means from 1 here, 1 2 3 4 means 1 0 0 0. This is the value,
Yes.
Then after I am doing -1. What is this resultant value?
Okay. All ones.
8.
Okay.
Then after what I am doing? -1. What is its binary form? 7, na? We got 7. 7 means what? Once.
Yeah.
Okay? Means simply what we are doing, we know now, if it is 1 at bit position means it should be definitely it is even only. For suppose if you take not only 4, now you got Divya
Yes.
3 bit we are storing. 7 means. For suppose if you take only second bit position, 1 left shift to 2 means this is 0, 1 and 2. Means 100. This value is 4. Then minus 1 if you do na, you got 3. 3 means 1 1. 1 2 4 8 minus 7. Yeah. Now you can store 0 1 2 position. Na? From this you want to shift. Means before these two numbers you are stored by doing AND operation with that number. The way you got the point? Why we are doing like this?
Yes, sir.
Then after, as you said,
Yes, sir.
simply you can do left shift. Whatever the number you have, na, that number with, we have to shift, means whatever the position is selected plus number of positions, number of bits he want to delete, na, number of bits. That many times if you do right shift operation. Then after, with this what happen, whatever the bits na, whatever the bits you have, that will be gone in that number. But again we have to do right shift number of positions, which position he have taken. Na? With this what happened, for suppose he selected 4, na? That means 4 positions we created spaces. But suppose he taken 2 bits from second bit position, that means if you right shifted 2 position means in there 2 positions we created to place whatever the unmodified data is there. Na? To store that we have to do right shift again. After doing this, simply you can do OR operation with this and this value. With this you can get the requirement what exactly he asking.